Dividing fractions is actually very similar to multiplying fractions, but there's one more step. Now, like multiplying, you don't need a common denominator. But unlike multiplying, it does matter what order you write the fractions in. So for example, 1/4 divided by 1/2 is not the same as saying 1/2 divided by 1/4. But in multiplying it is, right? In multiplying it doesn't matter the order, but in dividing it does. So here are the steps to dividing fractions. First, you're going to invert, which means to turn the second fraction upside down. Then you're going to multiply, and you can cancel if that's possible. And then finally, as always, you're going to simplify the answer. Here's an example. Let's take 2/3 and divide it by 4/5. The first step is to invert the second fraction, or turn it upside down. So that means we're going to have 2/3 and 5/4. And then we're going to multiply instead of dividing. Invert and multiply is how you divide here. And you can also cancel, so 2 goes into itself once and 2 goes into 4 twice. 1 times 5 is 5, and 3 times 2 is 6. 5/6 is the answer. So to review, first you're going to invert the second fraction, and we inverted 4/5 and made it 5/4. Then we're going to multiply. So after we've inverted, we're going to change the dividing sign to a multiplying sign. And then, if possible, we're going to simplify, and in this case, 5/6 is already in lowest terms.